Introducing the all-new Redmi K80 Ultra, a powerhouse smartphone that redefines innovation, design, and performance. With cutting-edge technology, a massive battery, and a sleek new look, this is the device that sets new standards for flagship excellence. The Redmi K80 Ultra takes elegance to the next level with a premium metal middle frame and a sleek round camera module. Say goodbye to bulky bezels. This device boasts a stunning 6.8-inch flat OLED LTPS display with a crisp 1.5K resolution. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling, the uniform bezels provide an immersive viewing experience like never before. Performance is the heart of the Redmi K80 Ultra. Powered by the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, this beast ensures lightning-fast processing, smooth multitasking, and an unbeatable gaming experience. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, the K80 Ultra delivers speed like never before. Say goodbye to battery anxiety? The Redmi K80 Ultra packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery, offering all-day power for work and play. And when you do need to charge, the 100-watt fast-charging feature powers up your device in record time because waiting is a thing of the past. A smartphone this powerful needs a camera to match. The K80 Ultra features a flagship-level triple-camera system, including an ultra-wide lens and a floating telephoto sensor. With Xiaomi's AISP 2.0 computational photography platform, expect sharper images, breathtaking night shots, and cinematic video quality. Capture every moment in unmatched detail. And that's not all. The Redmi K80 Ultra is built to withstand the elements with an IP68 water resistance rating, making it safe from splashes and accidental drops. A state-of-the-art three-dimensional dual-loop cooling system keeps your device running smoothly even under extreme performance. Plus, with Xiaomi Surging OS 2, you get a seamless, optimized, and AI-enhanced user experience. The Redmi K80 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a revolution in mobile technology. Stay ahead of the game with power, style, and next-level innovation. Redmi K80 Ultra, redefining flagship standards.